Hello friends, this is the second lesson of Google Webmasters, Google Search Console. As in the previous video, I explained that what is Google Webmasters and how we can add website property in Google Webmasters. So today we will proceed. So we will open google.com/webmasters and just click on the sign in. So in the previous video I explained that how we can add the property, and we added this property like butiitsolutions.com, but you can see like still it's processing data, and the things we can't see. So what we will do, we will select another property, like I will select my another website. Okay, so because this data will show after 1 or 2 days. So now here you can see this is overview and this is performance. So in overview you can see like the performance, coverage, enhancements, three different sections. You can open the report, like if you want to open the report of performance, if you open, so you can see the performance has been open. So in overview, if you click on the coverage, so you can see like the coverage will open. But what we will do, we will go to the performance section. So in this video we are going to discuss the performance section of the Google Search Console, like what exactly you can find here, and we will discuss about everything. So here you can see like search type web. So here you can see search type web. If you click here, you can change it to image or video, or we can also compare. So first of all, we will check about the web. So here the report, you can see the duration, like this is date last 3 months performance. So you can change it to last 7 days or last 28 days, last 6 months, or even you can also select custom date, like from to like start and end date. You can select dates according to your requirements, or you can also compare. So this is duration, and now here you can see total number of clicks for this website. You can see so actually what exactly you are looking here, like you can see how the people can find your website in search engine, Google search engine. So you can see total number of clicks 18. So if you move your mouse cursor here, so you can see total clicks is how many times a user clicked through to your site, and how this is counted depends on this search result type. Then total impressions, and you can see here like 1.9k impressions. So you can see this total impressions is how many times a user saw a link to your site in the search results. When a person is searching like any query, any keyword, and they can see your website result, so that will be count as a one impression. But if they click, that will be total clicks. So this is calculated differently for images and other search result types, depending on whether or not the result was scrolled into view. Then average click-through rate, CTR, you can see 0.9% is the percentage of the impression that resulted in a click. And average position, you can see like 46.6. So you can see average position, the average position of your site in the search results, that based on its highest position whenever it appeared in a search. Individual page position is available in the table below the chart, here in the chart, and you can see position determination can be complicated by features such as carousels or knowledge panels. So here you can see the clicks like on this date, and this date wise you can also see impressions and clicks you can see. and you can see here like the queries, pages, countries, devices, search appearance and dates. So you can see queries, like these queries, people are searching these keywords and they are finding my this website. So you can see easily like what keywords exactly people are searching in the Google search engine, and they can find your website. So you can see here like this one, it's a Urdu keyword khajur ka murabba, and here you can see like 2 clicks and impressions 4. So if you search here like khajur ka murabba, so you can see here like on the second, like this one, the first result, and the second after this videos and images and recipes, you can see like the first result about this, and the second you can see here my website, you can see myurdurecipes.com. So I can see like the people like 2 clicks and 4 impressions. So and here another query. So there are different keywords you can see, and for my website, this website, you can see there are 378 keywords total. And so even like if the people are searching samosa recipe in Urdu, how to make lassi, and coriander in Urdu, sandwich recipes in Urdu. So in all these keywords, so if you click for example khajur ka murabba, and you can see like total clicks when they search this keyword, so they clicked on the result in the search engine 2 times, total impressions 4. So average click through rate 50%, because total impressions 4 but the clicks are half, so total average click through rate, that is 50%, average position, that is 7.5. Here you can see the difference between clicks and impressions as well. So, and here you can see query which we search like khajur ka murabba, and if you click you can see same thing. Okay, so what we will do, we will remove it from here. Now you can see normal. So all these keywords you can see here. Then what exactly pages, when they are searching for these queries, so which pages of my website appearing in the Google search engine. So you can see from here, like see this one, myurdurecipes.com / this is Urdu aloo ke shami kebab. Then you can see myurdurecipes.com / khajur dates pudding recipe in Urdu. So you can see here like this one, see khajur dates pudding recipe in Urdu. So this result is coming. So there are different pages, Google is telling me, like is showing me these pages are appearing in the search engine when people are searching these queries. Okay, and then countries also you can see, because there are 18 clicks in the last 3 months. So these 18 clicks, like from Pakistan, 14 clicks, from UK there is 1 click, because this website is something about Urdu recipes, so mostly users are coming from the Pakistan. But from UK I can see there is 1 click and there are 89 impressions. So there are different countries I can see, and there are 118 countries actually, so they are the people living in these countries, they are searching in the search engine Google, and they can find my website pages. In devices we can see like these 18 clicks, from mobile devices there are 10, and from desktop 7, and from tablet there is 1. And search appearance and date. Search appearance for another website, let me show you, like for this one. So you can see if you have like videos, so you can see search appearance videos also, there are 85 clicks and impressions 8,428. So we will go back to our other property website here, and here like dates, you can see when actually the people search and they click on the search results in the search engine, and impressions also we can see how many impressions on this date. so you can see the date wise all impressions. Now you can add in the performance section, like if you want to add query, page, country, device. For example, if you want to check device and only mobile device we want to check, so we can click mobile and you can see mobile has been added here. And so this now result showing only about the mobile devices. So if I see, you can see there are 10 clicks. Actually there were like from all devices 18 clicks, but if we add like device, a mobile device, so you can see there are 10 clicks in the search engine, like people came to my website through their mobile devices. And if we check like from the desktop devices, so there are 7, so 10 plus 7, 17. So obviously there is one person that came from the tablet. And if we want to specify like country, like for a specific country, if you want to check, you can also check that country, about that country. If you want to add page, you can add page also, and of your website. And if you want to add query, a specific query keyword, you can also add that query. So this is the performance section of your website. In the Google Search Console, we have checked everything about in this section, almost everything. So you can see here last updated 4 hours ago. You can also export this report as Google Sheets, or you can also download as Excel file or CSV file for your records. So I hope you have learned a lot in this video, like how we can check our visitors through the performance section, what queries, keywords they are searching, and which pages are appearing in the search engine, and the countries, devices, search appearance, each and everything about our website search results that we can find here. And we can then we can add content in our website according to these queries. We can improve our website content, so that will be very effective for our that will be very good, I mean to say, for the search engine optimization, for the on-page optimization. So I hope you have learned a lot in this video. Please subscribe my channel. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and also share the video with your friends so they can also learn new things. In the next video of this playlist, Google Webmasters playlist, I will explain about the URL inspection. Thank you very much once again.